We start with the 1 hour chart and we want to see how we can look at the chart since we didn't have the update for the ADA for quite a long time. Anyway, as we can see, after we get this drop similar to the other charts, the price start to reverse almost near to where it was because since the price drops, it was somewhere around 85 cents. Now the price is somewhere around 72. Okay. Now the question is, what's the next? Whether this one can continue and reverse, or we can expect the price to get the next drop. The possibility to for the next drop is very less, but we have to be quite careful because if it's happen, because the overall market, the way they are moving is similar, because if it's happen, it can be quite sharp. And as we can see, since the price start from here as reverse, is reversing as a corrective. All right. Now I'm expecting this reversal can lead for the price to break 80 cent. The only thing is how we can look for trade, because whenever we see this kind of the reversal as a corrective, either the price can continue as a sharp, we see the breakout, or we can expect this one because it have to break this corrective move. All right. Mostly I'm looking for the uptrend. I'm looking to see the breakout of the 80 cent at least somewhere between 80 and 85. Then we can look for buy, but if anyone is looking for buy, they are using the spot or the future accounts, they should know where is their stop loss in case the next drop happen. That's why I mentioned that if the next drop happen, can be quite sharp. And whoever get the trade either for buy from here or here, move their stop loss to break even or book some profit. Okay. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. If we refer to our analysis, when we have been looking for chart for the ADA, since the price was here, we have been looking for 92 for and 1.35. The price tag these two targets, then it turns to a deep correction. Okay, because with the next move, we are looking for 1.3, 1.63, following by about 2. Then from there, we're looking for all-time high. And with the breakout of the all-time high, I'm looking for 5 and 4 and 5.1. The main target with the breakout of the all-time high, at least I'm looking for, is 5.1. Okay. Anyway, at this point, next move I'm looking for is to see the breakout of 1.35. And as we can see, after we get this drop, this one work 92 work as a resistance. There was no breakout. Anyway, we're looking for the reversal, but to look for buy, we have to look for trade based on lower time frame. And if we move to weekly chart, we don't see anything. All right. I mean, we don't see any trade setup. And if we move to daily chart, similar to what we get for weekly, there is no trade setup. We want to see what we will get from here. If the prices start to consolidate here, we see the correction as a flag either based on daily or forward chart. It can give us a really good confirmation for continuation. But if the price continue from here, then we have to look for trade based on 1 hour or lower time frame. But based on daily chart, we don't see any trade setup. Simply will not take it. And if we move to forward chart, I'm looking at this. We want to see whether the price can consolidate here for longer time, give us a better confirmation based on forward chart for continuation. All right. At this point, whether we can look for buy from here, it doesn't mean the price cannot continue. The only thing is we don't have the trade setup. And if the drop happen, can be quite sharp. Not sharp as what we get here, but we can expect the price drop to somewhere around 65 cents. Because if we move to 1 hour chart, if the prices start to drop from here, we can expect the price drop somewhere to 65. If there is breakout, then from there we can look for the lowest price of this correction around 60. That's why whoever wants to look for buy from here, they should be quite careful because the continuation as a corrective can lead to see the breakout of the correction as a sharp move. Then can we put our entry above here? If anyone wants to put the entry above here, what they want to price sharply tag, break, and continue the price tag. Within the first 2 hours, there is no continuation. They should take out the trade. Anyway, the only thing is whoever get the trade for buy either from here or here, either book some profit or move their stop loss to break even. Anyway, we follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.